Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about how to do factorization of this one. So now I will show you the technique. About 24, that should be about 8 multiplied with 3x to the power of 3. This one we keep the same. This one, that should be about 8 multiplied with 2x. Now we can do factorization with 8s. So you got about s to the power of 2 minus s plus 2. We have number 3 in here. Next, we just finished about this one because there is no way to do factorization of this one anymore. That's the end. Thank you for watching.